Hello friends, welcome to another video. In this video we're gonna talk about the cloud hosting and how you make a free website on cloud platform. First of all, we're gonna discuss the introduction. With the countless services like a Dropbox and iCloud getting a hack nowadays, it's nothing expected that more individuals need to pull their data off the cloud. Rather than passing up those extraordinary adjusting highlights, however, you can create a cloud server that you control with the assistance called OnCloud. With it, you will get matching up calendars, not notes, files, and that's just a beginning. In this article, we will learn how to create a cloud server, how to set up a cloud server, and how to create a cloud server at home, and how to create a cloud server for business. How to create a cloud server, how to create a cloud server for business, and how to create a cloud server at home. Firstly, we're going to talk about how to create a cloud server consistently. Uh, we cloud one cloud service provider that shows up the market offers various approaches to create cloud server all alone. On another hand, here we can promote about what steps follow the show up at the recent port of better approach to make information technology to your organization. Find out about the how to set up cloud server. Above all else, need to get an idea in your brain. Find out about the cloud server and what you need explicitly for your business or your new project. If you are a small one venture, check the most ideal choices in cloud services providers where they are offering to you. Have scalability and flexibility, simple to utilize the awesome you as follows. Picking a cloud hosting business. When you get a clear idea and thoughts regarding the creating a cloud server, the substance stage is chosen about the supplier you think about an ideal choice for you. There are numerous sorts of cloud servers providers with the various expenses. In any case, it's significant you settle on highlight and cost. Both are vital, not just expense. Set up a cloud server. As of now, the following stage is to set up your cloud server. After you pick your providers, you should adhere to give guidelines to configure your server climate in its spot. Customize your cloud server at an point when you need. You can update your cloud server several ticks on the off chance that you have to panel control plans for this. However, if you utilize this devoted server, you must schedule support and adjust the hardware because any progresses could be influencing the typical activity of server in the cloud. How to create a cloud server for business. Numerous business people and entrepreneurs make this question particularly nowadays. How to make a cloud server for business. The above step will apply extremely to your necessities like a first investigate on this sort of technology. How to start a cloud computing. From the point of forward, each day an ever increasing number of services are being delivered on cloud computing through the huge cloud supplies. The large rivalry for the cloud hosting market is the principal purpose behind this. Huge significant cloud suppliers need to catch a major cut of the market, realizing numerous organizations are moving to cloud technologies. A big hierarchy, the huge amount of the set for of services and tools could make a major cerebral pains to conclude, which are beneficial for you. There are various mixes of tools that you can pick. In any case, you could pick some unexpected arrangements of tools for your business on the off chance that you don't have to forget idea that are tools. Administrative your cloud services. Also, you are developing and scaling your business will require more resources and your services and tools are cloud computing cloud be old in early time. However, will well However, think well the overhaul your services cost of operations. Many cloud services providers have two sort of expenses, the setup expenses and operational expenses, or a capital expense. Both are applied to your administrative when you use it. Thank you for watching. Let's meet another video.